Hi, I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, why Google hasn't gone all in on AI search yet. Spoiler alert, it's not because they're scared, it's because of money and a whole lot of math. Let's break this down. Right now, Google processes around 9 billion searches every single day. A traditional Google search, the kind you and I do when we type best family lawyer near me or top real estate agent in Miami, is super cheap for Google to run. We're talking fractions of a penny, but an AI-generated response takes an incredible amount of computing power. It's not just pulling data, it's generating language in real time, on demand, based on thousands of data points. That's expensive. In fact, experts estimate that a single AI search query can cost 10 to 20 times more to process than a traditional Google search. Now imagine if just 10% of Google's 9 billion daily searches were replaced with AI overviews. That could cost Google billions of dollars per year in extra compute power. That's why Google is taking its time. It's not that they can't move faster, it's that they're being strategic. They're weaving AI into search slowly, not flipping a switch. You've seen this with AI overviews, where AI summaries show up above search results. But the core web listings, ads, and maps still sit below. They're testing, optimizing, protecting the ecosystem that pays their bills and your leads. Because let's be honest, those Google ads and local search ads, they're what drive most small business growth online. And they rely on search economics staying sustainable. Here's where that matters for you. While everyone else is chasing the AI hype train, smart businesses are doubling down on long-term search engine optimization and reputation management, because that's what Google rewards, now and in the future. At Accelerate Marketing, we focus on things that never go out of style. Authoritative content that answers real customer questions, verified business profiles that show up everywhere your customers are looking, and consistent engagement and review growth that tell Google you're active and trusted. And by the way, if you want to dive deeper, head over to our channel for more LSA and Google Business Profile insights. These strategies are what help your business rank high today, and they're still the backbone of how AI understands your authority tomorrow. Eventually, yes, AI will shift how people find information, but remember, AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity still rely on website content to build their answers. They can't exist without credible web sources. That means if your business has clean data, consistent branding, great reviews, and expert-level content, AI will find you and feature you. So don't sit out the future. Prepare for it. Keep building your Google foundation today so that when AI discovery scales up, your brand is already positioned at the top. If you want to see a real example of why patience and strategy pay off, read our post, When You Quit Too Soon, a lesson in search engine optimization patience. Link below in the description. The bottom line, AI search is coming, but the smart money is on strategy, not speed. I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing, and remember, sustainable growth beats shiny trends every single time. Thanks for watching.